we'll guide you through how to manage Google Drive access effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Drive on your desktop. Once you're in, locate the file or folder you want to manage access for, and right-click on it. From the menu, select Share. Here, you'll see all the people who currently have access. To add someone new, type their email address in the Add People and Groups field. You can also adjust their permissions by clicking on the drop-down next to their name and selecting Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. If you want to remove someone, hover over their name and click the Remove icon, which looks like a little trash can. For more control, click on the Settings icon in the top right corner of the sharing window. Here, you can decide if editors can change permissions and share, or if viewers and commenters can see the option to download, print, and copy. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click Done to save your changes. Remember, managing access is crucial for maintaining the security and privacy of your documents. Regularly reviewing who has access and adjusting permissions as needed can help keep your files secure. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.